a story with your eyes, with your song, and with your soul.
You were born to be a star.
Magpa-perform ka pa next week, Mark!
Sobrang natuwa sila na pangalawa akong tinawag, mahinga na sila agad ng maluwag.
I can see the potential of this boy talaga. Lagi ko talagang tina-challenge.
3 years old, kumakanta na ako, tapos talagang hindi ako pinapayagan ni Papa. Nagkukulong ako sa kwarto kasi umiiyak ako kasi gusto ko talagang kumanta. Sa may time na umalis ako ng bahay, lumayas ako, mga ilang buwan, pinahanap ako ng dad ko. Pinayagan niya na ako. Tingin ko kasi yung challenge niya ako eh. Sobrang taas ng kanta.
Are you still interested with Mark Mabasa?
I would take Mark Mabasa on my team twice on Tuesday, 3 times on Sunday, and maybe once on Monday.
Ang galing, ang ganda ng ginawa ni Cesar Aguas. Dalawang version pinagsama niya. Miss Pilita, pagbubutihan ko para maipagmalaki niyo po ako.
I was alone, I took a ride, didn't know what I would find. I'm not alone, maybe I could see another sign. Then I suddenly see you. Did I tell you that I need every single day of my life? Didn't run, you didn't lie, you knew I wanna hold you. And as you're gone, you knew in time we'll meet again, for I had told you. Ooh, you were meant to be near me. Ooh, I really want for you to hear me. Say with me together every day. Got to get you into my life, baby. Got to get you in, got to get you in into my life, yeah. Got to get you into my life, baby, baby. I gotta get to it, I was alone, I took a ride, I didn't know what I would find. Another road, well, maybe I could see another side. Then I finally see you. Then I tell you I need you in my life, yeah. Gotta get you in into my life, into my life.
Mark Mabasa! Great performance. Alam mo, Mark, kaya mo lahat ng songs. Kahit Broadway, ballad, mabilis, mabagal, you can sing it all. Good job.
Mark, sa pinili mong kanta, medyo kakaiba to sa lahat ng mga ginawa mo, no? Pero totoo yung sinabi ni Martin na kaya mong gawin kahit ano, which actually makes me look forward to see you again, na medyo exciting eh. So, I'm really looking forward to seeing more of you, Mark.
Sa lahat ng mga pinili mo or ni Tita Pilita sa mga songs na pinili, I must say, ito talaga yung nag-fit sa'yo. Kasi yung energy mo, I could tell na talagang bigay na bigay ka. So, I think ito yung pinaka-favorite ko sa lahat ng performance mo. Yeah.
Thank you. At saka masasabi ko lang talaga kay Mark. Mark is very hardworking. Kung anong sasabihin ko sa kanya, he listens. O mali ka dito, hindi ka mali. Tsaka talagang thank you very much. Talagang he can do anything. And I think he's going to go very far.
Good job, Cesar Aguas, with the arrangement, too. Wonderful job.
All right, thank you very much, judges. Mark! If you think that Mark owned the stage tonight and you are looking forward to seeing more of Mark live na live dito sa competition na ito, you can vote for him. Just text accept space MARK. Thank you very much, Mark!
Mga kapamilya, abangan sa aming pagbabalik ang natitirang pambato ni na Charif at Martin. Their performances only here on The X Factor Philippines.